class, today we are making tiramisu recipe with an Asian twist using flavors of yuzu and matcha. The sweet and tart citrus taste will balance well with the creamy decadent mascarpone cheese. Here are the ingredients. In a mixing bowl, add 5 tablespoons of monkfruit sweetener or sugar. Add 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese, which is about 2 tubs of the ones from Trader Joe's. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Use a hand mixer and whisk to combine everything together. In another mixing bowl, add 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of monkfruit sweetener or sugar, and mix until you get whipped cream with stiff peaks. Add half of the whipped cream to the cheese mix and fold to combine. Keep mixing and add the rest of the whipped cream and mix evenly with a spatula. In a shallow dish or bowl, add about 3 cups of yuzu liqueur. You will also need a glass casserole dish. Dip the ladyfingers into the yuzu liqueur for a few seconds and place flat into the glass dish. Line all the yuzu liqueur dipped ladyfingers tightly close to each other and fill in all the gaps. Now add an even layer of the mascarpone cheese mix on top of the ladyfingers. Then add another layer of yuzu dipped ladyfingers on top of the cheese. Finally, top with another layer of the cheese mix. Use a silicone scraper and even out the top surface. Wrap with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 2 to 4 hours. Once you take the tiramisu out of the fridge, use a small sifter and sift the top of the cheese with matcha powder. I have a small yuzu tree in my backyard, and this year it produced only 2 precious fruits. I will be using one of the ripened ones to get the zest. Use a zester and zest as yuzu. Put the zest aside to use later when serving. Cut a piece of the yuzu tiramisu out and place on a plate. Garnish with the yuzu zest and serve. I hope you will try this delicious recipe and let me know what you think.